Hey guys, so it is Christmas Eve. It is December 24th. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we finally made it. I haven't vlogged for the past few days, and my eye makeup actually turned out really well. Turns out really well on camera. So I used you're really close now. So I'm wearing my Grinch sweater. It's super cute. And I used the James Charles palette for my eyes. I used the color Daddy. And for red, I think I used You're Kidding. I'm pretty sure I used You're Kidding. It's showing up really nicely on camera, and I'm really happy with it. And I added glitter. Here, I'll close my eyes for the glitter part. And I added glitter, and it is a silvery kind of glitter from Wet n Wild. So I'm headed over to a relative's house, and I will catch up with you guys later. I might be vlogging on the way because I have a car mount, but we'll see. And I have unfortunately failed to mention that tonight is not only Christmas Eve, but also the Broncos are playing tonight against the Oakland Raiders. So it is currently halftime, and I better hightail my butt over there in order to watch the rest of the game. So I'll see you guys a little later. Okay guys, so we are here and I'm about to go in. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I have made it back home. The Broncos lost, sadly. I think it was like 24-14, so they lost by quite a bit. And I have a pimple right here. Ugh, it's really bothering me, but I like the way my eye makeup turned out. It's a little bit crazy, a little bit out there and extra, but I really like it. So I don't care what anybody says. I actually wore this to work, and I got a few looks, but it's okay. And hopefully this pimple clears up before morning, because that is Christmas Day. And I will see you guys in the morning. I am actually going to be doing some last minute editing, and hopefully this video goes up really soon. Okay you guys, so it is exactly 1 a.m. I am still editing, but I think I'm just gonna go to bed right now, and I'll see you in the morning. I'll finish editing in the morning, I promise. And I just need to take off all this crazy like holiday makeup, take off my little cat ears, and I will see you guys in a few short hours.
6 hours later.
Hey you guys, good morning. It is Christmas morning, and they are bothering me to head upstairs, but I thought I would hop on here really quick and talk to you guys and show you my outfit for this Christmas morning. I, of course, am going to change when we go over to my aunt's house, but this is what I'm wearing right now. It's my Stranger Things shirt, some Tweety pajama bottoms, and some really cute penguin slippers. Okay guys, so I have just changed my clothes. I'm wearing my S Club merch from Sylvia Garney, and it looks so cute. I'm so excited to wear this for Christmas brunch. But yeah, we just finished opening up the presents. I will be doing a what I got for a Christmas haul in a few days. I'll be uploading that in a few days, and I will just pick out 5 items that I got and share them with you. And I really need like Dr. Pimple Popper right over here. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but just knowing it's there is bothering me. But I will see you guys in a few after I put on my makeup. Okay you guys, so I just completely washed my face, and I forgot that it's Boxing Day today at Lush. It's the only sale that they have all year round, so I'm gonna hop onto the website and see if it started yet. So by the looks of it, it hasn't started yet, so I'm gonna have to check back in a few hours because the prices are all the same. Okay guys, so my makeup is all done. I finished putting it on in the car. I have on the Lolita lipstick, and I just put on some Jordana Fabuliner and some Ardell 110 wispy eyelashes in magnetic. And I also brought with me the collaboration between Becca, Khloe Kardashian, and her friend Malika. It's really bad. I've already used it, clearly, like all the fingerprints on it, but it's super cute. It is a part of their Becca BFFs collection. And I got the one from Khloe. There's also one from Malika, so I would definitely go and check that out. And I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I have looked online, and it turns out that the Lush Boxing Day doesn't start until tomorrow, and I have to do something about the zit. It is bothering me. I need to like pop it, or I need Dr. Pimple Popper or something over here to help me. But right now I just finished watching Nikki and Gabby DeMar's What I Got for Christmas video, and I'm currently watching Lauren DIY's. I don't even know how to say Lauren's name. But Lauren DIY's. So I'm watching her What I Got for Christmas 2018 edition video, and I decided to film my own at the end of the night. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm kind of in a rush just to fix my face, but I will see you guys in a little bit. And we just got done watching Infinity War. Oh, it still gets to me. How about you?
You weirdo.
It still gets to me. Oh, Tom Holland, Tom Hiddleston, everybody died.
Everybody Tom.
Everybody Tom. Yeah, you know. I hope you all had a nice and safe holiday season. Good night. Hey you guys, so I just noticed something about the vlog that I posted yesterday. I made an error towards the very end. It was a freeze frame error, so please just ignore that. And yeah, thanks.